Hello there. In this video I'll show you how to drill an enclosure for a guitar pedal that you build yourself. We need some marking and measuring tools, of course, so a caliper, a ruler, a pen and a marker. Then we have this automatic punch, stepper drill bit. That's the regular punch. You could use that with a hammer, and you use those to do markings. Could also use a screw. And that's all the parts we want to fit into this enclosure. And I'm just gonna be measuring by eye. I'll check where I want the parts to be. It looks about right there. Then I'll do some measuring. And I make my markings. I try to get it in the center. Then I measure again, like where's the center gonna be. Yeah, that looks good. So I'll measure again, do a little crosshair or an angle. Then I'll check the placement of the lead holder. You want to have clearance so the parts don't touch each other. Then I'll just continue with the potentiometers, the DC jack. Make sure there's clearance. Then I'll do the jacks, same thing. Get it in the center of the sides. And then I do a bit of marking with the Sharpie. And then I'm ready for the next step, which is punching these little marks on the enclosure. And I'll be using the automatic one. It has a spring in it. I just press it down and it goes pop. And it's marked and ready for drilling. There we go, all of them marked. And that's because we don't want the drill to be wiggling around, so those will guide it to the place you want. So you will get your hole where you want. And the next step, after I've picked up the drill bit I want, I just start drilling. Oh yeah, you don't want to ruin your table, so get something under there, just in case. But yeah, I'm just gonna do small holes first, before I get to the stepper bit. There we go. These are really handy. It has steps. This one goes from 2 to 20, so it's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And those are what I need for this job. And of course, you want to check the size of the hole you need to make. So I need an 8 for the potentiometer, so that's 3 steps. And you could do it just holding it in the hand, but I have a vise, so I'm just gonna use that. Clamp it in there, and then I just check again. If it's your first time, that's not a bad thing to do. Double check, and yeah, then I get to it. 1, 2, and then just to make sure, yeah, too small. And there we go, the third one. And now it fits, and I'll get to the rest. Just measure, make sure you're not drilling too large of a hole, because you really can't get the metal back there. Last bits. And there we go. We're done. As simple as that. Now you can see if everything fits. Looks good. Yep. And the jack. Yep, that's fine. That's how you do it. All right, there we go. Now I have to figure out something to put in there. I'm off. Have fun. Bye.